Today, I'm going to reveal to you the secret to winning with money. One secret. And that secret is spend less than you make. Period. That's it. Easy peasy, right? No, but seriously, we can solve so much of our problems and so much of our financial stress by this one simple rule, spending less than we make. The problem is this rule only takes into consideration the mathematics. It's just money in, money out, right? But we all know, or maybe we don't know. I'm here to tell you that money is not just about mathematics. It's about a spiritual and emotional and a mental change in us. Why is it then that we get caught up in buying a house and we pay too much? Or we go onto a car lot and we end up spending more than we were supposed to spend that we went into there thinking that we were going to spend? Or why is it that we're going through the grocery store or a big box store or any other store and we see something and we're like, I want it, I gotta have it, that's so cool, that's awesome? It's because money is not just money. Money is not just math. There's an emotional, mental, spiritual side to money. So with all of that said, I've got other videos dealing with those topics, but the idea is if we can say, I'm going to commit to build in that discipline to spend less than I make, then I'm going to solve the majority, not all, but the majority of my financial problems and my financial stress. So let's commit to that. And that comes back again to budgeting. Know what you're going to spend. Commit to building that discipline. And once we get that discipline in there as a regular thing, we're going to create a habit. And once you create the habits, now you're going to make real financial progress because the habits are what's going to drive your actions. Okay, so I know simple, but not simple, right? Spend less than you make. That is the tip for today, and good luck to you.